If you're ready to make that Lambo money so you can go flex on your grandma for Christmas, then smash that like button, because we're going to get into some tokens that y'all need to grab ASAP before this December pump happens right here. Y'all ready for this? Let me take off my lady boy sunglasses here, and we're going to get down and dirty with some tokenomics over here, bad boy. Mute this out here, my balance off of here. Pull up some tokens that I'm invested in right here. We're not going to waste any time, fellas. We're going to get right into this deliciousness, because I want y'all to make some money with me right here. As you guys could see on my 7-day here, we got a 42%er on Game Zone. We got a 38%er on MetaVPad. We got a 38%er on Chain of Legends. We got a 45%er on Avalanche, and we got a 60%er on Vara. So as you guys can see, we've got half of our portfolio basically made a 40% pump in the past week. What are you guys doing? You guys need to be making some money here. And as you guys, if you guys looked at the months on some of these, the monthlies on some of these, like these ones I'm up fucking 200%, 300% on. So the good news is you guys aren't left behind. We've been making money. Me and the patrons been making money. If you guys want to get in there, smash that down there. There's a link down there for the Patreon. You guys can check that out. For only $5, you guys can get in there. You gotta fuck that up, didn't I? No, but on the real, for $5, you guys could get in there, and I share these tokens in there before I bring them on YouTube, and you guys could actually start making some money on some of this shit. I just brought this one in a video right here. We got Gaia Everworld. This bad boy's pulling back. It was just at 18, and then today we were just buying it at 11 down here. We were buying it in the 11.7 range right here. We basically got the bottom of it. I don't know if that's the bottom. I actually don't care. I could always add more if I really wanted to, but I'm pretty bullish on this right here. This thing right here, it has pumped a lot on the year, but on the all, I mean, like, this is like 110x. If you guys want to look at the all on this, 110x, bad boys. 110, and it's a gaming project. The gameplay's amazing. If you look up Gaia Everworld on YouTube, there's a video. It's like a 1-minute video. It shows you all the gameplay, all the challenges, the modes, and all that shit. BNB smart chain, dirt cheap transactions. Get it on PancakeSwap. That's what I prefer. Just, you gotta have some BNB token. I'm sure you guys can figure out how to do that. I'm not gonna tell you how to do that again. What's the next one that I think? I'm not gonna recommend Game Zone, even though, you know what, I will show you guys Game Zone. You know why? Because Game Zone used to be over $1. Game Zone was $1.10. What the hell was Game Zone down here? Game Zone was $1.18, and we're at 4 cents. Now I've been recommending this to you guys since it was at a penny. I was buying this thing when it was at a penny, basically, right down here. What is it? Like a penny and some odd change down here. 1.615 area right here. But yeah, no, I mean, we're 3x on this bad boy right here. I don't know if I'd buy it right here, but on the 1 year, most of the tokens met the top of the year already. This still basically has another 100% to reach the top of the year, so probably has a hard pump in it because the launch pads have been taken off hardcore. What else? Earth is getting ready for a breakout. Earth is pulled back quite a bit right here. And by the way, none of this is financial advice. Do your own research before you buy any of this crap. And yeah, I mean, some of them are crap. I mean, a lot of cryptos, they're just schemes, man. All this, even stocks are schemes. So wherever people want to put money is where the money's going to go. But anyway, this was just at 33. We're at 28. So that's what, like a 10% pullback. We're at a 10% pullback from the top here. But really, look at this bad boy. This bad boy was in the 45 cents range, and we're not even at a penny. We're at like less than a third of a penny. So what? That's like let's say like a 4x. We're about 150x. 150x from this range. Huge. Huge, guys. Let's do a couple more. Let's do lightning round right here. AVAX. I'm still going to recommend AVAX because AVAX is going to go to $400. Not financial advice, but AVAX. And that's what I have in this portfolio. I have some AVAX locked away in a private portfolio long term. This is just some that I threw together on this little portfolio that I got here. But AVAX was back at like $140. Where was the all-time high? $146. So we're still like a 6x from its all-time high. But this thing can go hot, like 12x. But we might have a pullback. Who knows? But really, this thing is looking like it's getting ready for the elevator straight up. And like I said, like, do your own research on all this stuff right here. What's another good one right here? that I got for you guys. Winner's been like pulling back quite a bit. Winner right here. We've been like really consolidating on Winner for a while right here. It like reached this threshold. I bought it in the 6 cent range. Ooh, my computer's freaking out right here. This will be my last token that I'm going to show you guys. Bought it in the 6 cents range. We're at 10 cents right now. It hasn't been out long. It's only been out since April. We're basically at the top of this right here, but this is a gambling token. It follows like what blockchain bets is doing. So blockchain bets reached like a 40 million market cap, and this is only a 9 million. So it has like a 5x to go to get to where blockchain bets just was. I definitely look into this because if you pull up the website here, I'll pull it up real quick, but then I got to end the video for you guys. The website, if you looked into these websites right here, the winner coin governs through these websites. So like if you look in here, all these games that you guys would play in here, all these games that you'd play in here, you guys would use the winner coin to get into all these tokens basically. See you later, guys. I got to let this video go.